Struggling with how to get money into your Ally bank account? Or maybe you're trying to figure out the best way to move funds out. Whether you're a new customer or just need a quick refresher, navigating the different transfer options can be a little confusing. The good news is, it's actually pretty simple once you know the steps. Let's start with moving money into your Ally account. The most common and easiest method is an electronic transfer, also known as an ACH transfer. To do this, you'll need to link an external bank account. Just log into your Ally account online or in the mobile app, go to the Transfers section, and follow the prompts to link an outside account. You'll need that account's routing and account numbers. Ally will then send 2 small trial deposits, usually less than $1, to your external account. Once you verify those amounts in Ally, your accounts are linked and you can transfer money back and forth. Transfers between accounts at different banks typically take about 3 business days. Another option is to use Zelle, a fast and free way to send and receive money with people you know and trust. You can find Zelle within the Ally mobile app. You can also directly deposit a check using Ally's eCheck deposit feature, where you simply take a picture of the check with your phone. Now, for getting money out of your Ally account. Again, the simplest way is an ACH transfer to a linked external account. This works just like an incoming transfer, only in reverse. Log in, select Transfers, choose your Ally account as the From account and your external account as the To account, and you're good to go. If you need your money faster than a standard ACH transfer, you can request a wire transfer. Just be aware that this usually comes with a fee and can be a bit more complicated, requiring you to fill out a form with a lot of information. You can also request a cashier's check be mailed to you, which can be useful for things like down payments on a house. Finally, for immediate access to cash, you can use your Ally debit card to withdraw money from any ATM. Ally even offers unlimited rebates on ATM fees, which is a great perk. So, there you have it. Whether you're moving money in or out, Ally offers several straightforward and convenient options to get the job done. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.